If you're applying for a US immigrant visa, there's a new development you need to know about. The Department of State is now using a pilot program for public charge bonds for certain immigrant visa applicants. Here's what that means. Under this program, some applicants may be told by a consular officer that they need to apply for a public charge bond through USCIS. The bond is intended to provide another way to overcome a public charge concern. If a consular officer determines that you may be subject to this requirement, they will notify you. And here's something important. You cannot simply apply for the bond on your own right now. The Department of State says this process is currently being implemented only for select applications. The amount of the bond is also not one fixed fee. A consular officer determines the amount based on the totality of the circumstances in the individual case. And yes, the person who pays the bond may be able to get the money back, depending on what happens with the bond. Also, this pilot program does not affect currently valid visas. So if you're pursuing an immigrant visa and you're concerned about public charge, issues don't assume that this automatically means your visa will be denied. There may be ways to address the concern, including providing evidence showing you're not likely to become a public charge. If you're dealing with a complicated immigrant visa case, getting your situation reviewed by an immigration lawyer before your interview can help you understand what options may apply.